How to turn on Dolby Atmos on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. After you've opened settings, simply click on sounds and vibration. After you click on sounds and vibration, click on Dolby Atmos in here. If there is an option to turn it on, you can simply click on it and turn it on. But in some Android phone like mine, you will find these options. Select the one you prefer. These three are the options: dynamic, movie, and music. Select the one you prefer and it will turn on in this way. And this is how to turn on Dolby Atmos on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.